Distinguished guests, respected scholars and colleagues, good morning. The title that present here is Artificial Intelligence in Education: Rethinking Epistemology, Pedagogy and Ethics. We are gathered here at a time when education is no longer simply evolving, but it is being fundamentally redefined. At the center of this transformation, artificial intelligence not merely as a technological tool, but as a force that is reshaping how we understand knowledge, how we teach, and how we make ethical decisions. Let me begin with a simple but unsettling question. If machine can generate answers, write essays, and even stimulate reasoning, what does it mean to know something today? This is not a technical question. It is philosophical, pedagogical, and ethical one. Today, I invite you to rethink education through three lenses. One is epistemology, two pedagogy, and the third one is ethics. Let us begin with epistemology, the study of knowledge, or more precisely, what it means to know. Traditionally, education has treated knowledge as something stable, something to be acquired, taught, and reproduced. Students learn, memorize, and demonstrate mastery, but AI disrupts this model. Tools like ChatGPT can generate essays, summarize research, and produce explanation in seconds. Knowledge is no longer scarce; it is abundant, dynamic, and increasingly machine-generated. This focuses us to confront a critical shift. The first one, knowledge is no longer something we possess. It is something we interact with, evaluate, and reconstruct. In classical epistemology, truth was often linked to justification and belief, but AI introduces a new layer of probabilistic knowledge. AI does not know in the human sense. It predicts, generates, and approximates. So, when does a student uses AI? Whose knowledge is it? Is, is it original? Is it valid? Is it understood? We are witnessing the rise of what we might call algorithmic epistemology, where knowledge is mediated through systems that we do not fully see or understand. This does not diminish the value of knowledge, but it changes its nature. And therefore, the goal of education must shift from producing students who know answers to cultivating learners who can question, interpret, and critically engage with knowledge, whether human or machine generated. If the nature of knowledge changes, then pedagogy must also change. Pedagogy, the art and science of teaching, has long been rooted in transmission, teacher to student, expert to novice, but in an AI-driven environment, this model becomes insufficient. We must rethink role. The teacher is no longer the primary source of knowledge. The teacher becomes a learning architect, designing experiences, guiding inquiries, and cultivating critical thinking. The student is no longer a passive recipient. The student becomes a knowledge curator, navigating, selecting, and evaluating information. This transformation is built upon tradition like constructivism, where learners actively construct meaning now that construction is being mediated by AI. We are entering the era of AI augmented pedagogy. Let me propose a simple conceptual model for this. The three layers of AI enhanced learning. The first one is cognitive layer. It is AI that supports thinking, generating ideas, explanation, and alternative. The second one is metacognitive layer. From this, learners evaluate AI output. Is this accurate? Is it biased? Does it make sense? The third one is ethical layer. Learners reflect. Should I use this? What are the implications? This layered approach ensures that AI does not replace thinking but deepens it. However, there is a real danger we must confront. The issue is not that students use AI, but that they may use it uncritically. If students outsource thinking entirely, we risk creating a generation that is highly efficient but intellectually dependent. Therefore, pedagogy must intentionally design for critical inquiry, reflection, and human collaboration. Now we turn to ethics, the most urgent and perhaps most complex dimension. AI in education is not neutral. It carries assumptions, biases, and consequences. At its core, ethics asks what is the right thing to do. In the context of AI, several tensions emerge. The first one is bias and fairness. AI systems are trained in data. If the data is biased, the output will be biased. What this means for equitable education. Second, academic integrity. If a student uses AI to complete an assignment, is it assistance or misconduct? Are you are our assessment system will still valid? Data privacy. Number three, educational technologies collect vast amounts of student data. Who owns this data? How is it used? Number four, assess the equality. Not all students have equal access to AI tools. Does AI widen the gap between the privileged and the marginalized? These are not peripheral issues. They strike at the heart of the education purpose. We must move beyond simplistic responses like banning AI, because banning AI does not solve the problem but avoids it. Instead, we need what I will call ethical AI literacy. The first one is the ability to understand AI limitation. The second one, the capacity to question its output. The third one, the responsibility to use it wisely. Ethics is not about restriction, it is about responsible empowerment. Allow me to bring these ideas together into a unified perspective. I propose a triadic framework for AI in education. The first one is epistemology. What counts as knowledge? Two, for pedagogy, how do we teach and learn? Number three, for ethics, what should we do? At the center of the framework is one key principle: human AI synergy, no replacement, no competition, no collaboration. Education must prepare learners not just to use AI, but to work with it intelligently, critically, and ethically. What does this mean in practice? For the implication for education system, AI literacy must become foundational, not optional. For educators, training must go beyond tools to include AI-informed pedagogy. For institutions, clear ethical guidelines and governance structures are essential. For society, we must ensure that AI enhances education without eroding human values. Let me end with this reflection. Education has always been about preparing individuals for the future, but today the future is arriving faster than our system can adapt. So the question is not whether AI will transform education, it already has. The real question is, will we transform education thoughtfully or reactively? And perhaps most importantly, in a world where machine can generate knowledge, education must focus on cultivating wisdom. Ultimately, the reason is the goal of education is not to compete with machine, but to develop what machine cannot become: judgment, ethics, creativity, and humanity. Thank you. See you again